Happy holidays! I'm Scott Steinberg here with the latest gift ideas from Wahl, and grooming gifts are always in style. You can keep guys covered for hair cutting and facial hair trimming needs with the new Elite Pro Clipper and Lithium Ion Trimmer, or give someone the gift of pain relief with a deep tissue massager. This handheld percussion massager is powerful enough to target deep muscle pain. And lastly, think about pampering your pet while cleaning them up for the holidays with a waterless shampoo, bathing wipes, or doggy deodorant. These all-natural products will keep your dog fresh between baths. For more gift ideas, visit WahlHolidayGiftGiving.com.